So I'm laying in bed. It's November the 5th. I haven't been kayak fishing in months, and we just got like a streak of warm days out of nowhere. And this is the spot where I caught my personal best largemouth. It's over 5 pounds. And I'm sitting there looking at the weather, and I just got up. I said, I'm gonna go one last kayak, well, at least maybe more if it's, some more warm days come, but one last kayak trip to end the year. And so I'm here. I'm gonna fish this for maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, see what I can do. If I don't do nothing, cool. If I catch a few fish, I'm happy with that. So we're gonna see. And all right, let's get to it. Ooh, got a rod behind me. I don't like a rod on that side because I cast up my right hand side most of the time. I'm gonna just put that under here if I can. No, it's not. Yeah, last time I was out here, I caught a bunch of fish. I caught personal best largemouth. You know, it was like this. That was that was in the fall. Water level is down a little bit, and it's not as windy as I thought it was gonna be. Hardly no breeze back here. The lily pads died off, but they're not completely gone like I thought they would be. They're not thick, but you know, all the cold weather we had, I thought they would be all the way dead and broken off. Yeah, if I can get a couple fish in a couple hours, I'll be good with that. Very shallow back here still, but it's not extremely cold yet. So these fish might still be back here. If you ain't see that video yet, man, go check it out. For a second, it was almost every cast, every other cast, I was catching fish, and I got a lot of it on tape, on video. So I believe it's called personal best largemouth, or new personal best or something like that. I'll try to link it, or leave a link to it on the info card. And this is one of those spots, man, either they're here or they're not. You know, well, they're pretty much here, but it's so shallow they don't stay back here. So either they're biting or they're not. But you know, I've been back here and had great days fishing. It's a little small area, and then I've been back here and I've caught nothing before. Pike right there. Nice size pike too. Oh, I spooked him. He followed it, but that was a nice little pike. since I worked these legs, baby. I can't skunk. I'm breaking out the Ned rig and I'm getting up under these trees. There's one. Got the skunk off the boat for the end of the year, baby. Ah, got on my net snag. At least I didn't skunk. Had to pull out the Ned rig. It's like cheating. Nice little river smallmouth, clean and cold. Worth the trip. All right, buddy. All right, now I can go home happy. I caught a fish. Last kayak fish of the year, probably. Still got a little time. See if we can get some more. Another. Oh, missed him. Tell you what, you having a rough day, just put a Ned rig on, man. And it's all, look at it, it's all funky. It's all crooked because it was just sitting somewhere pinned up against something and still hitting it. There's another one. Not bad. A little smallie. All right. Oh. Another little decent smallie.